drone!
Drone!
No, he's got it.
The drone!
Yes!
Go, go! Oh, better not hit the wall.
You're good, you're good. We are at Sumerduck Raceway, currently August 2nd, Saturday, where some sliding is happening and some drag strip. A good turnout today. A little bit different amount of cars. I like this track. It's very different, very open. And as you can see, we got some sliding going, good amount of people. It's organized. We're gonna have to go hop on the drone in a second because of, and I'll go show you the setup over on the drone. So, first off, look at the bumper. We got a new bumper for the 4Runner. Kinda looks good though. There's a Hellcat about to go.
What?
There's a Hellcat about to go. I'm gonna get some clips of the Hellcat with the media bracelet, so. Woo! Still going. Is he gonna get it this time? No! This time, we're both flying him.
So is he trying to land it on the wall?
Yeah. There we go. It's pretty hard to land on the wall, but. I like this. Good. You gonna get it? Third time's the charm. Oh, shit. this right next to the track for signal issues. We got a pretty good spot with some shade. You got any drone tips? I told him we usually set up the tent next to the track.
Yeah, do that all the time.
What are your thoughts on this track so far?
I wish it was like a drift track.
Like more obstacles?
I mean, this is just a parking lot they made into a pit, but
Yeah, it needs a little bit more obstacles, but it's there.
this is
The
not
concept
a drift track. So
Well,
it's
it was
good
never
for what it
advertised as a drift track.
is. It's good for what it is. Like, it's big enough for the sliders.
You could have a mini drift track.